Who wants to go inside?
Crab.
Crab with his funny claws. Oops.
Oh, a dolphin.
The dolphin wants to go inside. Whee! Hello everyone. Today we are going to open some fizzy egg surprises and I've got a fun way to do it. Here we have a princess egg surprise and what I'm gonna do, this is a roller coaster ride and we are going to put this on here and go this will go up and then here will slide go in the water through this. Which egg surprise do you want? You want the dinosaur?
Yes!
Oh, this is the dino surprise. Look at this dinosaur. There's one more dinosaur here. Let us open this one. What is the color of this egg surprise?
Green!
Yes. Now it goes up, up. Time to fall down. That's so funny. Now, who wants to go inside? Crab with his funny claws. Oops.
Oh, a dolphin!
The dolphin wants to go inside. One more dolphin. Look at the dolphin.
Dolphin!
Green water.
Touch it.
You want to touch it?
Touch it.
You're waiting for the dinosaur
Yes.
surprise. You want to touch it? It's still happening. I see your head. Get out. Look at the toy. Show me.
Look! I found it.
What did you forget?
A dinosaur.
Oh, look at the small baby dinosaur. Oh, this is so cute. Come on, time for one more egg surprise. Again a dinosaur?
Yes!
What? A fizzy dino surprise. And let us open it. Ooh. Now let's see what is the color. Oh,
Green!
it's a green egg. Ooh, green egg. It's time for the egg to slide, go up and up and look at it. It's all bubbly, bubbly. Look at all the bubbles. You're going to get one more dinosaur. Yay!
Yay! A more toy!
You want one more toy?
Yeah!
You want a mini dinosaur again?
Yeah!
Look at this dinosaur.
Look! What's that?
I want a French dinosaur. Where is it?
There!
Yes, let's wait. I want a French dinosaur.
Yay! There!
Nom 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 nom.
Yay!
I'm gonna swim in the water and find whoosh, whoosh.
Woo!
Where is my friend? In the egg. Woo.
A red!
I think we are going to get a red dinosaur.
Ooh!
Look at that. It's again a red dinosaur. It's a small.
Oh,
Look at that. It's a red dinosaur. Small red dinosaur.
Whoa! good.
The red and the green dinosaur. Look at the baby dinosaurs. Zardo, which color do you want?
Choose it.
You want the green one? Zardo, you want the red one?
Yes, great.
Look at them, they are so cute.